Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write secure code with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can help you identify and fix potential security issues in your code, ensuring your applications are safe. So let's dive in. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and load the project where you want to improve code security. Codeium integrates seamlessly to provide real-time assistance and suggestions. Start by writing or reviewing your code as you work. Codeium will offer security-focused suggestions and alerts for potential vulnerabilities. To apply a suggestion, simply click on it or press enter button. Codeium will insert the recommended changes into your code, helping you address security issues more effectively. Codeium can help identify common security flaws such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, buffer overflows, and insecure handling of sensitive data. For example, if you are writing a database query, Codeium might suggest using parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection attacks. Customize Codeium's settings to focus on security aspects relevant to your project. Adjust preferences for the types of security alerts and suggestions you receive. You can use Codeium's refactoring tools to improve the security of your code. It can recommend safer coding practices and patterns to minimize vulnerabilities. Regularly test and review your code for security vulnerabilities. Codeium suggestions can help you write more secure code, but always validate changes through thorough security testing. Leverage Codeium's features to continuously monitor and improve your code security, ensuring your applications remain safe from potential threats. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to write secure code with Codeium. This tool can help you enhance the security of your applications and protect your users. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.